Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate sleep tracking with Oura Ring. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To automate sleep tracking with your Oura Ring, start by ensuring your Oura Ring is fully charged. Next, download the Oura app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, create an account or log in to your existing account. Connect your Oura Ring to the app by following the on-screen instructions. Make sure the Bluetooth on your device is turned on to establish the connection. After connecting, navigate to the settings within the app. Look for the Health Data section in the Settings menu. Enable sleep tracking by tapping on the relevant option. Next, adjust your sleep preferences to suit your lifestyle. If you want to receive reminders, activate notifications for bedtime and wake time. Now, head to the Integration section within the settings. Connect other health apps, like Apple Health or Google Fit, if you want consolidated data. Ensure that AutoSync is turned on for seamless data transfer. Familiarize yourself with the different metrics available in the app. Check your sleep score regularly to understand your sleep quality. Monitor patterns over time to identify what improves your sleep. Make adjustments to your bedtime routine based on insights from the app. Finally, consistently wear your Oura Ring each night to ensure accurate tracking. With these steps, you can automate your sleep tracking effortlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.